Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Akhil Priya Classes. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. Today I am going to discuss about the exercise number 14.3 of NCERT of class 10th. So here we have the first question. So let's get started with the question. In question we have given with the frequency distribution of a monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a particular locality. In the question, we have to find the median, mean, and mode of the data and then compare. So here we have the frequency distribution table in which monthly consumption is given like 65 to 85, 85 to 105 up to 185 to 205. So respective number of consumers are written in front of that each class. And I want to tell you one thing, that the width of these class intervals are equal to 20. So how we find the width of the class interval? We just basically subtract the upper limit to the lower limit. Just as if we subtract 85 minus 65, that comes out to be 20. Or if we subtract 125 minus 105, that is also comes out to be 20. So 20 is the width class of our given class intervals. In order to find out the median, we have to prepare one table for the cumulative frequency. So we have written down the cumulative frequency of our given data. 4 and 4 plus 5 comes out to be 9. 9 plus 13 is equal to 22. 22 plus 20 is equal to 42. 42 plus 14 equal to 56. 56 plus 8 equal to 64. And 64 plus 4 comes out to be 68. So the last value of our cumulative frequency, that comes out to be the value of n also. Okay, so from the cumulative frequency we get the value of n. So from the value of n we can also find the value of n by 2. So we have n by 2 is equal to 34. So the value of n by 2 comes is equal to 34. So we can see that 34 lies between 22 and 42. So we have to choose that one value which is greater than the number 34. So we will choose this class 124 to 145. This will be our median class, and this will be the value of our frequency. And here if we have to put these values in our formula, so we have the formula for median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into h. So the value of L, lower limit, our class interval is 125 to 145. So lower limit is 125. So value of L we have put here 125. And we have the value of n by 2, we have put 34. And the value of the cumulative frequency of the preceding class. So our median class is 125 to 145. So the value of cumulative frequency of preceding one is 22. So here we have put the value of Cf, and our frequency is 20, and our class width is also 20, as we have discussed earlier also. So just calculating and solving, we get the value of median is equal to 137. So in order to find the mod, we have the model class remains the same 125 to 145. And here we have the formula for the calculating mod is equal to L plus f1 minus f2 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So here the value of f1 is 20, and value of f0 is 13, and value of f2 is 14. Okay, f0, f1, f2. You are easily comfortable with this. Why I choose f0, f1 and f2. Okay, we have to choose like this. Now putting the values in our formula and just calculating it, we come to know the value of mod is equal to 135.77. Now we have find the value of mod and median also. Now we left with the mean. So for calculating mean, we need to just add some more tables in our frequency distribution table. Here we have given this fi in our question, and we just calculate the value of xi. The value of xi will be calculated as like 85 plus 65 divided by 2, that comes out to be 150 divided by 2, that is equal to 75. Similarly, we have done exactly same with the all the numbers. 85 plus 105 divided by 2, that comes out to be 95, and up to 185 plus 205 divided by 2 is equal to 195. So here by this formula we can get the value of xi. And here di basically the difference between xi minus a is here our 135, the value of xi of the mean class. Okay, so now by subtracting 75 minus 135 is equal to 60 minus 60, and 95 minus 135 minus 40, 115 minus 135 minus 20, 135 minus 135 is equal to 0, and like so on. Okay, now from this we will calculate the value of ui, which is equal to di upon h. hv is the what the width of our classes. We have earlier discussed, it comes out to be 20. So what is ui is equal to di upon h. So here di, it means minus 60 divided by 20 is equal to minus 3. Minus 40 divided by 20. Why I have taken 20? Because our h width of our class is 20. Okay. Minus 20 divided by 20 comes out to be minus 1. So like this we will calculate our rest of the values, and we have to add a new column also, which is of fi into ui. As we have the table of fi and ui also, just multiplying it. 4 into minus 3 is equal to minus 12. 5 into minus 2 comes out to be minus 10. 13 into minus 1 comes out to be minus 13. 20 into 0, 0, and up to 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So we have summation of fi is equal to 68, and summation of fi ui is equal to 7. So what you have to do, just add up all these, you will get this value. Okay, as you all know, the formula for the mean is equal to a plus summation of fi ui upon summation fi into h. I have already discussed why we take a equal to 135. Now just putting all the values of fi ui, that comes out to be 7, and value of fi over 68 into 20, our class width. Just solving it, we get the value of mean 137.05. So I think you come to know very clearly with this question. Apart from that, if you have any query, you want to ask anything, you are free to comment in my comment box. And if you like the video, please hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.